So today I'm going to be opening up some packs, and shout out to George the Roblox Gamer for giving me this content to open today. So yeah, first pack is going to be Chilling Region. Just open this Chilling Region pack. Okay, nice, we've got a green code card. 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Water, energy, old cemetery, boot, Agatha, cast form, ladybug. Oh, I skipped card. Dolet, Clobbopus, cast form and a snowy form, coughing, looks like we have some coughing, and a Blaziken V. Wow, that's nice. So, like I was saying earlier, go check out my friend's channel. It is Thomas Roblox stuff specifically. And next, we're going to move on to a Battle Styles pack. Can't believe we got a... Well, this is really sealed shut. Hope this isn't fake. Gotta open it off screen here. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's get back on track. Okay, we got another green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. It's a trick. Don't know. Oh, looks like we have something good on the back. So, psychic energy, SEPA, single strike style. Mustard, that's an interesting card. Golbat, Moelle, I'm gonna just move to the other side. Formantis, Remoraid, Sparrow, Parkayust, a Hollow Reverse Kingdra. Ooh, and a Corviknight VMAX. That is a really nice card. Centering's a little bit off. Let me check my Blaziken V. Centering's actually nice on this Blaziken V. So, we'll put those cards together. Yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching, and go check out my friend's channel.